As an individual, we find strength from our friends, family, and most especially to God.
They recognize our disabilities but emphasizes our possibilities.
They give us power to go forward.
And they can also bring out the best in us.
With them, we can be our true selves without being judged and learn to improve ourselves. But what if our relationship with them drifts apart?